I love this place. This place is full of nature. Whenever I need healing, whenever I need mental peace, whenever I want to feel inner joy, inner peace, I come to this place and I walk on the grass. And the coolness of this grass is amazing. It always gives me real peace, real happiness, real joy. So, if you want to feel all these things, all these emotions, if you want to feel inner peace, inner happiness, inner joy, real healing, then I will suggest you just connect with nature, go in nature, touch these grass, walk on the grasses, and look at the plants, leaves, and feel it. You will find inner peace, inner happiness, inner joy. Must try it.